Welcome to the Hyatt Regency Huntington Beach Resort and Spa. This property is quite large, so prepare for a walk. Make sure to get a map so that you're familiar with all the different places. There are 3 main pool areas on the resort. The main pool is in the central, and you'll walk by a hot tub area, and then on the far end is the kids pool plus slide area. Most of the families were there. Sancho's Tacos is a great Mexican taco restaurant that we've discovered in Oceanside, California, and there's a chain store here. We recommend it for the kids. Globalists have free access to several amenities within the water spa. We were upgraded to a Hyatt Regency suite. It was a great upgrade on our second night, and we enjoyed the additional space. Water Table is their main restaurant, and breakfast is served from 7 to 11 and free for globalists. If you walk towards the other side of the property, there is a conference center area. Near there are several restaurants and stores and a small marketplace. The marketplace has lots of last-minute items and all-day breakfast and coffee. One of the great things about this property is that they have an overpass where you can walk directly over to the Huntington Beach. The beach was by far our kids' most favorite activity, and playing with the sand and building sand castles and playing in the water. Make sure to subscribe for our channel and check out another awesome property close to this resort.